So, there you have it. It took about 2.5 hours, 3 hours to print. It printed all the way into the evening. That's why I had to put up these lights to light up my desk. And it was a pretty straightforward, pretty simple design, pretty simple print. I mean, to be honest, these little Marvins are kind of more complicated to print than this humerus bone, and it is a humerus bone, so it's located here, the elbow joint, and this is what's astonishing about this print. It's the fact that such a simple object, such a simple artifact, contains so much information about our past, and well, I can't comprehend it all. I'm not an anthropologist. And this is why I think 3D printers are here to stay. Not because you can print these little doodads or make faster prototypes, but because you can have access to these artifacts you could have never even dreamed of touching before. So unless the speed improves and it becomes a little more user-friendly, in the coming years we'll see 3D printers getting more and more mainstream. So that's it.